Unveiling the truth behind Cry Crocodile Tears. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, cry crocodile tears. This expression is not only colorful but also packed with meaning and history. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday English. Stay tuned to become more fluent and expressive in English. To cry crocodile tears is to express insincere sorrow or pity. It's used when someone pretends to be upset or affected by something, but, in reality, they are not genuinely concerned or saddened at all. This phrase is often applied in situations where the sincerity of someone's emotions is in doubt. The phrase, cry crocodile tears, has a fascinating origin. It dates back to medieval times and is based on an ancient belief that crocodiles shed tears while consuming their prey. This belief was widely circulated despite being a myth. The imagery of a predator weeping over its victim struck people as the ultimate hypocrisy, leading to the use of the phrase to describe feigned sadness or deceitful expressions of emotion. Now, let's see how you can incorporate cry crocodile tears into your English conversations and writings. Even though he apologized for his mistake, everyone knew he was just crying crocodile tears to avoid punishment. She seemed upset about the news, but I suspect she was only crying crocodile tears because she thought it was expected of her. Don't be fooled by his crocodile tears. He's not really remorseful for what he did. Understanding phrases like cry crocodile tears enriches your English vocabulary and helps you grasp the nuances of the language. It allows you to communicate more effectively and recognize when expressions are used figuratively rather than literally. Plus, it's a great way to make your speech more vivid and engaging. Thank you for watching today's video on the expression, cry crocodile tears. We hope you found it enlightening and useful for your English language learning journey. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and history behind them. Keep learning, and don't forget to use your new knowledge in your conversations. See you in the next video.